Hello guys, and welcome to a new installation video. This time I will install or reinstall the OSRAM Nightbreaker 200 on all the beams and take down the ring xenon 200 in order to measure the Nightbreaker 200 with the light meter to measure them after about 40-45 minutes of use, to see if there will be a difference between the first measurement, which has been taken on a cold start, and I will do it again, considering I drove with this halogens I think for about 6 months last year, so you can imagine basically all the summertime I really drove with them a lot. So I also did a lot of mileage with them, but I will measure them on the cold start tonight at 3 meters away. Then I will go for the 40-minute high-speed ride, and then come back and measure them again at the same distance. I will still consider the cold start measurement, the initial one, but now I will do it again just to have a benchmark and really to see how well they they manage to keep their brightness over approximate 6 months of use. And of course also we will see if there will be again a decrease in power, in brightness after 40 minutes, like it was the case with the ring xenon 200 halogens. So let's start the installment. First, as I always do, I will take down the already installed halogens on the lowest level, and then install the new ones. Such a beautiful day prior to the 1st of May, sorry. Prior to Labor Day. on the high beams is a bit tricky, but not impossible. Like that. You can see how much they resemble the Nightbreaker line, the Nightbreaker Unlimited. So yeah, just side by side, you can see the difference would be in the metallic mirror cap on top. Otherwise they're identical. The easiest way to install the halogens on the Renault Clio Mark III would be to have them already plugged in into the power plug before you insert the halogen. The only downside is that you increase the risk of touching the glass of the lid, but otherwise this is really by far, if you have thin fingers or hands, it's a lot easier. There it is. So that is the high beam. Okay. Let's place one like here. There it is. Everything is perfect. So you can see you have to swivel it to take it out of the plug after you have detached it from the H7 fitting in this case. So you have to swivel it. And this time I will not forget to clean the headlights before the measurement, the light meter test. So yeah. Okay. Perfect. You see how easy it is to install them already plugged in. On the low beams I cannot, I mean, it's something strange. I seem to not be able to do it so easy. Let's try it like this. Yes. The cables are so short. Yeah, it's impossible. We'll do it the old-fashioned way. There it is. And the plug is in. Very nice. So that's it. Perfect. All good. Well guys, this is it. Right now I will go and record them with the high beams installed, as well as I did with the ring xenon 200, so in the same manner. And I will also have to record them against the wall, but from the exterior of the car, not only from the dashboard, as I only have those recordings right now. And in the next days, of course, as much as the weather will allow me, I will record the Philips Racing Vision GT200 in the same manner, because I've purchased a second set, and I will be able to finally bring you eventually the entire complete comparisons and this decisive or final comparisons of these major three players in the automotive lighting world that offer 200% more light. There is another brand of halogens. From what I've seen, I think it's most probably owned by General Electric. Correct me if I'm wrong. The OSRAM Megalight Ultra plus 200%, but I wasn't able to get them from my country. They are nowhere to be found. I admit I contacted the OSRAM team from Hungary, and after an initial response that they will forward the request to the marketing team, I was eventually ignored. So I wish I would have had the chance to compare those also. Then indeed I would have been able to show you absolutely all the plus 200% halogens on the market in 2022. But yeah, this is how things are. The guys from Ring, so the OSRAM, let's say an OSRAM company as well, they were very really very responsive. They were looking for to have someone to review their products. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for the videos that will follow. I really can't wait to see how Philips Racing Vision GT200 will be on the high beams, and eventually after I will finish all these tests and the high-speed test with OSRAM and Racing Vision GT200, I will leave on my car installed the Racing Vision GT200, because out of all the 200% halogens, they are the most affordable. They are the cheapest, although they have such a great build quality and such a nice light for a halogen. They are my first love, so also they were the first ones to bring a product, a halogen with 200% on the market, and from this perspective, being also very affordable, and I saw that in all the countries around the world. There were cases where someone told me, yeah, but in my country OSRAM is cheaper, or the other one is cheaper, and they were simply lies. I looked up into it, and it wasn't so. Maybe just one case, I think there was somewhere in India, OSRAM seemed to cost less rupees than Philips, but I'm pretty sure if you do your search long enough, it is the same thing all over the world. So everywhere you would look, on Amazon or on the web page of the major retailers in that specific country, Philips Racing Vision GT200 are the cheapest one to get, even in this day. And this is why I recommend people, I don't tell them buy Racing Vision GT200. I say buy the cheapest 200% halogen in your country. so there will be no room for misinterpreted I don't know, words, or nobody will be able to say that I'm keeping sides. This is about it. Please stay tuned. After I will finish this high speed reviews and second light meter measurements after 40 minutes, I will start to upload all the comparisons possible with Ring Xenon 200, and of course I will manage like this to catch up with the other bulbs, LEDs and halogens I've let's say I've put on the side in all this time, having the new releases available. So in the future you will see again comparisons with GE Megalight Ultra 150 with the Hikari LEDs, for sure with the Akuma LEDs as well, because there I haven't compared them more than in a two-way comparison. And of course time will tell and see what new products will be released. But this year I will have enough material to use. Really, I am having troubles with the time. I mean, I don't have enough time to edit the reviews that I can. Once again, thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you all the best, to have a pleasant weekend. Really, let's say pleasant and well and good Labor Day, to be close with your family, to your friends, and to relax as well and as much as possible. If you would like to support my channel, please give me a like, share the videos and subscribe to it. And of course, if you want to order something, consider the clicks on the Amazon links in the description of the video. I wish you all the best, and take care wherever you are.